Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the third chapter, indices and the cube root. So here first we are going to let's recall. We are going to see the previous knowledge, the rules of the indices. Yeah, you can say the laws of indices which you study in the previous class. That is, you study in might be you study in the sixth standard. ठीक है? You study in the seventh standard. So the laws of indices. The first law, see, I gave your laws and the examples. ठीक है? So first law is what? A power m into a power n is equals to a is equals to m plus n. So here what the indices, if you are going to see the indices, so this in indices, suppose there is any number with the power. So power means what? It's index. Suppose यहाँ पे here I give the 3 and 3 having the power. Power मतलब उसके नंबर पे उसके सिर के ऊपर जो नंबर्स होता है, it is called as the power या index. So index. So here this 3 is the base, it is called as the base, and this is called as the index. Yeah, you can say it is a power. So here see this 3 having index is what? 2. So this 2 is nothing but index and this is the base because it is at the base. So here if in the indices, so this all the numbers are nothing but the indices. So in the indices, if we are going to do the multiplications, so in multiplication of indices, it means what? There is nothing but the additions. It means what? In indices, if the bases are same and the procedure is multiplication, so जो index देस जो powers दे, तो that power we have to add. It means what? Yeah, in other language you can keep in a mind, in a indices if the bases are same, then do the addition of a indices. Yeah, you can say in a indices, if the bases in a indices in a multiplication, if the bases are same, then do the addition, and in division if the bases are same, then do the subtraction of the indices. So यहाँ पे एक single होगा तो हम we will see index, but 2 होंगे तो then we are going to say indices. So here see this a and this a, so यहाँ पे in this equation both the bases is common and that is they are same and it is what? A. So but powers are different. The first power is what? M, and second power is what? N. So the rule is what? If the bases are same in multiplication of indices, if the bases are same, then do the addition of the indices. So ये जो दो indices होते हैं, power होते हैं, so that we have to add. So here it will become what? A is equals to, so this A is common, so it will become it will keep, we have to keep as it is, and this powers we have to add. So it is what? M plus n. So here I gave the downstairs one example. So here see the bases, first observe the bases. So here in indices the bases are same. Yes. Now what, which procedure is there? Addition, subtraction or division? So यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन है तो हमें क्या करना है? जो पावर से दैट वी हैव टू ऐड बाय यूजिंग दिस रूल. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 5 is equals to what? 6 plus 10, and that is equals to what? 5. See, 5 power 6 plus 10, so 6 plus 10 is nothing but what? 16. So what we are getting? Power 16. See, according to rule we solve. Why? Because bases are same, procedure is what? Multiplication. So multiplication is there, so we have to add the power, we have to add the indices. Okay, so here 6 plus 10 is equals to what? 16. So final answer is what? 5 power 6. Done. Now the second rule. Second rule is what? A power m divided by a power n. So now same here. See, the bases are same, that is a. But here now instead of multiplication, what is there? Division. So in a indices, according to rule, if there is division of two indices, so what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. Means the division of the indices is nothing but what? Subtraction of their power. So here m minus n. Okay, so the according to rule, if a power m is divided by a power n, so that is equals to what? A power m minus n. It means what? Their subtraction. So here example is what? See, the example I gave, 10 power 6 divided by 10 power 2. So the bases are same, and that is what, 10. So 10, and here 6 minus 2 is equals to what? So here you have to write down 6 minus 2. So that is equals to what? 6 minus 2 is nothing but what? 4. So the 10 power 4. So answer is what? According to this, 10 power 4. Now the third one. See, a into b bracket m power. Means ये जो bracket है, that bracket full power is the common. So according to rule, it means what? This m is the power of this a also, and this m is the power index of this b also. So that's why when we simplify the bracket, so we wrote a power m into b power m. So here the example is, see, 11 into 13 the whole cube. पावर कुछ भी हो बट वो हमें दोनों को देना है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? होल क्यूब मीन्स व्हाट? दिस 3 इज द पावर ऑफ दिस 11 also, and this 13 is also. So here 11 power 3 into 13 power 3. So this is the final answer. Now see here, fourth law. The fourth law is what? A power 0 is equals to 1. Means suppose the base power is 0, so that value, that indices value is always the 1. तो वो नंबर कितना भी बड़ा हो, but if the power is 0, so that is also always equals to 1. So here what? 7 power 0 is equals to what? 1. यहाँ पे if I gave this one, another example, if I give 10 power 0, so that is also what? Equal to 1. Yes, if I give 1000 power 0, then that is also equals to 1 only. Now the fifth rule. Fifth rule is what? A power minus m. So now see here, power is the negative number. Here the radical is what? A. But if any number power is index is suppose negative number, so when you are going to do the division, so that time if you want to write down to convert this power into the positive numbers, what you have to take? If that power is at a numerator place, so you have to convert shift it into the denominator place. So it become what? It become the power, it become the, then the power become the plus. And suppose at denominator place, numerator place, if the power is negative number and वो हमें convert करने positive numbers में, so वो आप लोगों को numerator place में करना है. This rule it is not given in your textbook, but I will explain. So now here is what? A power m it is given is equals to, they are saying 1 upon a power m. So it means what? यहाँ पे minus m है. So when, but here if we write, see the fraction, so a के लिए denominator is there is nothing, means there is what? 1. So when with this power m we shifted on, means we take the inverse of this fraction, so this minus m become the plus m. So here and the numerator become the denominator. Inverse means what? उसका उल्टा. तो now suppose again यहाँ पे एक additional rules I will give you, that is not mentioned in your textbook, but I will explain it. Suppose here I gave the rule that is 1 upon a power minus m. तो यहाँ पे 1 upon ये पावर दिया है. तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर पावर इज व्हाट? नेगेटिव नंबर्स. बस मुझे वो पावर चाहिए पॉजिटिव नंबर. तो उसका कन्वर्जन क्या होगा? फर्स्ट ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है यहाँ पे जाएगा, तो इट बिकम द न्यूमरेटर प्लेस पर आएगा, एंड देन दिस माइनस एम बिकम द प्लस एम, बिकॉज हमने उसका इन्वर्स किया. तो जब भी हम फ्रैक्शन का इन्वर्स करते हैं, सो देयर साइन बिकम द चेंज. मतलब साइन चेंज मीन्स क्या होता है? वहाँ पे अगर सपोज सब्ट्रैक्शन है तो वो एडिशन होते हैं, एडिशन है वो तो सब्ट्रैक्शन होते हैं. इन्वर्स मीन्स और उसका न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर चेंज करना विद देयर अपोजिट साइन. ओके, नाउ हियर सिक्स प्रॉपर्टी. तो यहाँ पे सॉरी आई डू नॉट एक्सप्लेन हियर. एग्जाम्पल सी, 8 power minus 2. So this minus 2 I have to convert into the plus 2. So what? यहाँ पे numerator है, so I wrote into the denominator place. So here there is nothing, means there is one numerator become, and this plus 2 minus 2 become the plus 2. Then now the third 6 power. See here, a power m ब्रैकेट whole power m. इट मीन्स व्हाट? यहाँ पे ये जो फर्स्ट पावर दी उस पावर की भी और एक पावर दी है. मीन्स एक जो इंडेक्स है उस इंडेक्स का भी एक इंडेक्स दिया है. तो वहाँ पे मैं एक बच्चों का एक शॉर्टकट मेथड बताती हूँ, इंडाइसेस ऑफ इंडाइसेस प्रोडक्ट। मतलब अगर सपोज एक इंडाइसेस दिया और उसका भी इंडाइसेस दिया, सो वहाँ पे वी हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ बोथ द इंडाइसेस एंड वी हैव टू राइट डाउन। सो हियर इंडाइसेस ऑफ इंडाइसेस product, indices of indices product means indices into indices if there, so we have to do their multiplication। मतलब इंडाइस एक इंडेक्स दिया और उस इंडेक्स का भी इंडेक्स दिया है, सो वो जो इंडेक्स है आप लोगों को उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है और दोनों एक साथ लिखने हैं। तो हियर इट इज व्हाट, सी a is equals to a power m into n। example below, so 9 power 2 power 3 means is 9 ki this 2 is also power and this 3 also power। So see here indices of indices is what, product। So 9 is equals to 9 power what, this 2 into 3, 2 into 3, so 2 into 3 is what, 6। So what we are getting, 9 power 6। Now your third one, see 7 a upon b the a upon b the whole power means ये जो फ्रैक्शन है a upon b उसकी फुल पावर दी है, so it is equals to what, c। तो it means what, this m is the power of this numerator also and this denominator is also, because bracket दिया है and bracket की पावर दी है, so it means what, this m is the power of numerator also and denominator, so that is equals to what, a power m upon b power m। So 3 upon 5 the whole power 4, so 3 fours are and 5 fours are, sorry 3 power 4 and 5 power 4। Clear everyone? It means what, this 4 is the power of 3 also, that is index of this 3 also and the index of this 5 also। Now the last property 8 1। So now see here a upon b the whole पावर माइनस एम, मतलब इंडेक्स क्या दिया है, ए अपॉन बी का इंडेक्स इज व्हाट गिवन, इट इज माइनस एम। तो मैंने कहा था माइनस एम है एंड इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट द इंडेक्स इनटू पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, सो वी हैव टू व्हाट, वी हैव टू इनवर्स, मतलब हम लोगों को वो उल्टा करके लिखना है। जो न्यूमरेटर है दैट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन एज अ डिनोमिनेटर एंड जो डिनोमिनेटर है दैट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन एज अ numerator। So here a is what, numerator, so this side it become the denominator and b become the numerator, and this then this automatically this minus index is become here positive index, that is plus m। So here example see 2 upon 5 the whole power minus 5 is equals to what, it become ulta, so it become what, 5 upon 2 the whole power what, plus 5। Got it everyone? I hope all of you understand this all the rules। So now what you have to do in your textbook, if you see this textbook, here they gave this rule, so this all the rules you have to write down in your notebook, plus here this they are saying using the laws of indices write the proper numbers in the following boxes। So now here I explain you the examples, with the examples each rules I explain, so I hope all of you understand। So now here this examples, this using this all the examples 9 examples you have to solve, okay, and you have to write down in your notebook। So now next we will see meaning of the numbers with the rational indices। So next we are going to see this topic। So here what we have to do, here we have to write down the meaning of the indices। So now see here they are what is a, to show the square, see let us see the meaning of indices in the form of rational numbers such as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3। See rational numbers means what, whenever we write down any numbers in the form of 1 upon n, so that number is called as the rational number। ठीक है? So here see now the let's see here the to show the square of number, the index is written as 2 and show the square root of the number, the index is written as a 1 upon 2। So now for examples they gave the see in generally agar if you want to show any number square, so that square of any numbers we shown what, suppose here I want to 20, so if I want to show the square, so square means what, multiplication of that number by itself। So how we are going to, I am going to write down 2 means to show the square we use the 2। जिस तरह से अगर if I want to show the cube, तो cube के लिए we use the 3, अगर फोर्थ पावर है तो we use the fourth, तो इसके हर एक सिम्बल्स वी यूज फॉर टू शोइंग द स्क्वायर ऑफ दैट या क्यूब रूट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर. तो हियर दे आर सेइंग द इंडेक्स इज रिटन टू शो द स्क्वायर. सी द 2 शो करने के लिए हम इंडेक्स किस में लिखते हैं, 2 में. एंड अगर सपोज हमें उसी इंडेक्स का स्क्वायर रूट लिखना है तो वो स्क्वायर रूट के लिए हम क्या लिखने वाले हैं, ये जो स्क्वायर है, अगर सपोज आई वांट टू राइट डाउन द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस वन, सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन 1/2. So it is nothing but what, this is nothing but means suppose 21/2, so it is nothing but what, square root of this 1. So that's why they are saying to show the square generally we use the 2, and to show the square root we use the 1/2. That is what we use the rational number. For example, see the square root of 25, it is written as what, under root 25. So using the radical sign, this sign is called as the radical sign, and its value is nothing but what, 1/10. So using the square root of this 25, how we shown by using this radical sign, and it is read as under root 25. So therefore using the index it is expressed as 20/25 power 1/2. So therefore under root 25 is equals to 20 power 2. It means what they want to say, if you want to show the square of any number, for example suppose here I gave the number like the 100, and if I want to show the square of this one, so how I am going to is if I want to show the square root of this one, so 100 square root is nothing but what, it is 10. So how I am going to write down, first I am going to use into the radical sign. This sign is called as a radical, and it is generally used for to show the square. So how I am going to write down under root 10, it means what, if
10.
with under root 100. So if without root sign, if you want to find out the square root, so answer is what, 10. Clear? And by using, तो यहाँ पे we shown the square root of this number by using the radical symbol, वे साइन करने के. बट अगर सपोज with the help of index you want to show it, तो इंडेक्स में स्क्वायर किस तरह से लिखते हैं, it is written as 1/2. Clear? And अगर suppose one more time if I give the cube root, तो it is what, 1000. The 1000 is the cube root. तो cube root अगर if you want to write down into the index form, तो यहाँ से 1000 का cube root is nothing but what, 10. So how we are going to write down, 10 power 1/3. Now one more example we will see. Suppose here I give the 16. तो ये जो 16 it is the square of which number, it is the square of 4. So we have to find out the square root. So what we are going to write down, under root 16. So without this root sign the value is what, it is equals to 4. तो यहाँ पे 4 आप लोगों को लिखना है, and this under root symbol, that is the square, it is the square. So here you have to show with the help of what, 1/2. So here this is nothing but the index form to show the square root. मतलब 4 का स्क्वायर, it is 4 is the square root of the 16. तो इंडेक्स फॉर्म में स्क्वायर रूट हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो वी राइट डाउन लाइक दिस. सेम सपोज हियर आई गिव द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ cube root. So here it is what, 8. So 8 is the cube root of what, so how we are going to write cube root of 8. So which is the number, तो cube root है, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है, here there is nothing means there is already what, 2. ये आप लोगों को समझना है. बट अगर नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द क्यूब रूट, तो इसलिए वहाँ पे 3 लिखना है. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द फोर्थ रूट, फोर्थ पावर, तो वहाँ पे 4 लिखना होता है. सो इट इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, सी 8 इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ विच नंबर, 2. तो यहाँ पे 2 लिखा, यू कैन सी 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, 2 2 4, 4 2 8. सो व्हाट वी 2 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, 3 टाइम्स. तो इसका इंडेक्स फॉर्म जो क्यूब रूट है इंडेक्स फॉर्म में किस तरह से लिखेंगे, 1/3. Clear? Means the cube root of 8. So index form it is 1/3. So now in the next lecture I will explain the practice set 3.1. Okay? So now just go through this video and understand each and every concept properly. Thank you.